Hello and welcome to this beginner's meditation by Rico Living. My name is Saga and today you will get into a relaxing meditative state with a couple of simple techniques that anybody can do. Many people assume that meditating or being in a meditative state means having no thoughts at all and being completely still. But unless you are one of those rare people that has reached complete enlightenment and peace, being in such a still, constant state is extremely difficult for almost all human beings. The actual meditative state happens when we interrupt our train of thought and bring yourself to the present. This can be done after some time, for any amount of time. It could be 5 seconds, or it could be 5 hours. Thoughts will come back and will grab your focus away from you. This is completely normal and part of the flow of meditation. So, make sure you will not be disturbed and get into a nice, relaxing position where all of your muscles can go loose and limp. For this session, all you have to do is gently bring yourself back to the present moment without judging your thoughts. That is meditation. Consciously and continually bringing yourself back to the present moment over and over. There are many ways to do this, and we will start with one of the easiest and most effective techniques, conscious breathing. Begin by taking 3 deep and strong breaths. And now take a deep breath in and let it go. Focusing on your breath. And again, take a deep breath in and exhale. And one last time, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Great. Now let's focus on our belly as we breathe. You don't have to do anything special or think too hard about it. Just observe your belly rising and falling with your breath. When your thoughts stray away from focusing on the movement of your abdomen, gently bring your attention back. Allow for your entire body to fully relax. Consciously make your belly expand and rise with each inhale, and fall and contract with each exhale, bringing your focus to the breath, moving the belly. Very good. This is meditation, and you are doing so well. Notice how easy it is to focus on your breath while you move your belly. A thought may come and take your focus away, and that's fine. Just bring your awareness back to your belly gently and without judgment. Remember, the goal is not to keep yourself without thought. You only need to bring yourself back to the present moment of focus after you notice a thought has taken your attention. This is training your mind to follow your command, instead of doing what it wants to do and controlling you. So, thoughts are essential here. Noticing thoughts is what brings you into the present moment. Keep bringing yourself back to the belly. Make it rise and fall. Inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. Wonderful. Now place your focus to your chest, watching it rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale. Feel your ribs expanding easily when you breathe in and get smaller with each breath you let out. Thoughts may come, it's okay. Just bring yourself back to the breath, moving your chest and rib cage. Now, as you let your breath become a natural, automatic flow, just feel your chest and belly moving on its own now. Don't force your body to breathe in any certain way. Just allow yourself to breathe, noticing every detail about how your breath feels. Good. Now put your focus and attention on your nose. Feel all the sensations around your nose area and how the air feels entering and exiting your nostrils. Notice how the air feels to you. Is it cool or warm? When you breathe more deeply, you can feel the air that flows quickly. And when you breathe more calmly, the air slows down. Now switch your focus to your neck and throat. Let your breath go at its own pace and observe the sensations of the air entering and exiting your throat down into the lungs. Does the air feel warm or cold? Keep breathing and observing the sensations of the air passing through your body as far as it goes. Thoughts may distract you, and that's okay. Gently bring yourself back to your breath. Good. Now, whenever you are ready, just relax and let your mind wander to wherever it wants. You have finished your meditation for today. Very well done. Just one more thing. Notice how you feel right now entirely. Observe what your mind is like and feel how your body feels. Now, compare this to before you started your meditation. Do you feel a sense of calm? A sense of relaxation? And does your mind feel clearer in comparison to when you started? You are experiencing the benefits of meditation right now. And you've done such a great job. You can repeat this meditation as often as you need to. There is no perfect time to start meditation or finish meditation. It's whatever works for you. I want to thank you for choosing Rico Living for your meditation today. If you found benefit from this meditation, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you soon, and I wish you a wonderful, blissful, and peaceful rest of the day.